मैं नाले की तरफ भागा।
I ran to the creek. I ran to the creek.
वो सबसे पहले विंडस्क्रीन से गुजरी।
She went head first through the windscreen. She went head first through the windscreen.
ये वाक़या से पहले की बात है।
That was before the incident. That was before the incident.
पर्दे को धोना पड़ता है।
The curtain has to be washed. The curtain has to be washed.
मुंतखब होने की तरफ जो तारीफ की गई थी वो हकीकी थी।
The appreciation showcased towards being selected was real. The appreciation showcased towards being selected was real.
इसके घर वाले इसके रवैये से खौफजदा थे।
His family was frightened by his behavior. His family was frightened by his behavior.
उसने चीनी के बावजूद अपना काम पेश किया।
She presented her work despite the anxiety. She presented her work despite the anxiety.
वो 20 से 30 के करीब माल ले चुका था।
He had taken about 20 to 30 pieces of material. He had taken about 20 to 30 pieces of material.
वो सैर के लिए गए और दोस्त बन गए।
They went for a walk and became friends. They went for a walk and became friends.
वो उनके सामने घूमकर मुस्कुराया।
He twisted around to face them and smiled. He twisted around to face them and smiled.